Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey and you still keep coming back, manners and respect. Now today's video is just about how creative you can be in your kitchen. Mostly if you're a Jamaican, whether you're Jamaican diehard and you're Jamaican whether abroad, and also those who are not Jamaican and loves the Jamaican cuisine so much, I would like, to just try it. We're going to be doing for you today some roasted breadfruit and salt mackerel. Bear in mind that I have about 3 roast breadfruit videos on the channel. So I'm going to be using the stovetop one, using the foil paper to wrap it and to roast it on the stovetop. So I'm going to be going about doing that now off camera because I want you all to go check that video or check those roast breadfruit videos out and you use the type which one you would like to. Okay? If you're using the one stovetop method, you'd want to use a breadfruit even a bit rounder than this one. This is more like getting on the tall side, but this can still work. But you prefer to use one that is more rounder because it can sit on the stove. All of that information all of those information are in the roast breadfruit videos. So you go watch them. I'm going to leave the link to all, I think it's 3, and then you can choose your method of roasting. So may I go get my breadfruit wrap up now and return. Okay, now I am back. My breadfruit is there on the stove and that is what is happening. Remember I told you I am going to leave the link for my 3 roasted breadfruit videos. You can choose the one that you like. Don't say, Miss Debbie, oh you're not sure how you do the breadfruit and all of that. There is a video there that speaks entirely and definitely to that. So I want you to go watch it because I want you to get it good. This video today is showing you when you roast the breadfruit, and I'm going to show you also to prepare the salt mackerel, which I did already, but I'm still going to show you it in depth. So you're going to have your salt mackerel here. I have left it to soak overnight in some vinegar and some lime. That was the first water. So I've removed it from the vinegar and the lime, and I have it in enough fresh water. Remember I told you my mother always use lime for wash her salt mackerel? Okay. So it's in the second water. I have here some water inside a Jessie, and we are going to treat it just like the salt fish. But I want you to look at this. I want you to choose the mackerel that is red on the inside. You have some of them were white on the inside. Choose the one that is red on the inside. It tastes better. It tastes better and it is less likely to upset your stomach. Okay, I've proven it. Just a suggestion. So we have the salt mackerel, and you know it is gonna start scalding. So when we do the salt fish, we don't have to put nothing. But if the salt mackerel, the odor of it is a little stronger. It's more fishy than the salt fish when boiling off and preparing it. So you want to go now, set something that is going to absorb all that odor. Because if you have AC, you don't want the AC, take it all over the house and everywhere in the house of salt mackerel. What you can do, you can use a little piece of, as I'm going to be doing now, as I cut off camera, I'm going to be using a little piece of dried orange peel. I'm going to leave it in a little water to boil. So that will counteract the odor. So we leave the salt mackerel right there, so we'll leave it for scald off. Just once I soaked it overnight. So the next clip on this video, my breadfruit supposed to roast, my salt mackerel supposed to scald off, and then I'll have it all deboned, and then I'm going to come and start the cooking up process. Then, finally, I'm going to show you how we're going to be creative and get this roast breadfruit and salt mackerel to be what the name that I've given the video. I am going to be bowling up this roast breadfruit and salt mackerel. Must soon come. Okay, now family, I am right back. First thing, my breadfruit roast, and when you go to watch that video that I use the foil paper on the stove top, I say your breadfruit are going to look. Depending on how you turn it. Some part we just catch and some part not really, because by the time you turn it all around, it is finished already. Okay? So my breadfruit is at that point. It is roasted. Now I'm going to be putting together my salt mackerel. Now we are going to put it together almost similar as we did with the saltfish in the last video. Okay? We are going to be putting in some scallions, just most of the green part of the scallion. And I'm putting in some sliced garlic. Do not mince or chop your garlic for this, family. So this, we are getting some flavor. So you can probably get it up a little bit, almost up to eye. But after we have sauteed this scallions and this garlic in this oil right here, after we have camera girl is sitting and she's recording, because you know it goes sometimes we don't have a 100 still in there. So I hope you all are seeing it. You are not gonna put in the saltfish first. You're not gonna put in the salt mackerel after this. You're gonna be putting in the rest of the seasonings, however we want to call it. This salt mackerel, we are going to treat it different. Remember, we put in the salt mackerel, the saltfish, and cook it up, fry it up, and then make it take color. This is the last one that is going to go in. So we have everything here, and it has one, and all of that. We want to get it a little more, and all of that. So right at this point, we're going to put in some onions, and we're going to put in with sweet pepper. Remember when you put in these, and you also can put in your hot pepper. Remember when you put in all of these, you need to get your flame up to the eyes, as we did. Right up to the eyes, and we are going to leave it there to make it go and do its thing and return. Right here, so what I'm doing here, I have just some dried orange peel and all of that in the water. I get this, forget the salt mackerel paste out of it. Okay, now family, so we had to go change our camera battery. So right at this point, this is how it is. So we'd have time instead of a cut, although we still cut. You put in your few little pimento seeds now, you have got one little of that. Eh? Right up here, so you don't want the onion them and sit and get too much. Right there, so now you have got put in your tomato. And you notice we still did have that pretty look there the other day, except at this point the saltfish was in there. Okay, we're not ready to put in the salt mackerel yet. You're going to be putting in some apple cider vinegar. Don't pull up this spoon. If you have more, fine. So I'm going to be putting in about like this. I probably can put a little more. If you have the white vinegar, you need to put a little more, because they're not really so strong. Okay? Now that you do all of this, you want to get your salt mackerel in. And you see, this is a Jamaican thing, you know, so we always leave back piece of this. You don't have to. It's not compulsory. I've got the excess juice here, family. Let me go drain it. Right up right here, so now, and it's gonna smell. Papa Jesus, the apple cider vinegar. Down in a eat. If you know anything about it, talk to me. If you have prepared this dish before, salt mackerel on its own, talk to me. You're gonna need little of something in it. Some black pepper. We're gonna carry stove now down and almost to low. Not fully low. And we are going to stir it up. You see it? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You're good there, so now, you know. You're good. Turn down the stove. Right there and then, in this juice that we have here, with this vinegar and all of that, we are going to be covering this thing and make this thing here. This salt mackerel not brown up like the saltfish. It is of a different type of fish, you know. So we have it down, the little vinegar, and all of them something there, the black pepper and the pimento seed. We are going to make it stay down in that juice there. Look at it. One more shot. Give them a shot, camera girl. Like, just like that. Let it stay right down in there. And it just, the flesh of the salt mackerel just absorb that vinegar and all of that, and pepper and all of that. We are going to be leaving now to go to get our breadfruit peel, or forget the skin remove, whatever you say. But in Jamaica we say peel with breadfruit. We're going to peel the brush here, and when you see me back, you will see what will happen. Okay, my breadfruit is all ready to go, family. And you want to deal with your breadfruit that when you're done, you know, see the whole black and something around it. You need to know how to handle it. Now I'm going to use my knife to, I'm trying to be accurate, to get my breadfruit right across. And this breadfruit is on the turn side, so if you know anything about breadfruit, you would understand what I'm saying. It's almost like it's getting too ripe, so you have to deal with it gently. Now you see we have it out. We are give some time for cool out. Let all of those steam. Look at it. Isn't it a beauty? Please comment. And here some people in the comment section, and they must say bed and breakfast. I see them must say bed and breakfast. When I'm through, tell me if you're gonna finish. Tell me in the comment section of this video if you're not ready, if you Debbie down a yard, bed and breakfast. Make we go in a salt mackerel patty right in. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. It's the first. Look at this. You see the nice little salt mackerel juice, mama? You see the nice pretty red salt mackerel. If you did use the white one, I say that look white. And let us turn our flame off. So when you finish your salt mackerel, I say you want it look. Okay, y'all? May soon come. Okay, now family, you want it, remember it is roast breadfruit and salt mackerel bowl. So you have to get the breadfruit. You know, it is already like a bowl, you cut it down in half. But let me tell you something. If this breadfruit not properly done to the core, you ain't gonna get it like this. So I've saved back this part. I don't know, some never gonna do it and not show on a man. So you need to make sure your breadfruit is properly done to the core. Come on, girl, shoot them up on this. Them don't want to miss this. Come on. So you want to use your pointed knife, and you want to go, and you go right down, and you follow what is happening right here. Whilst you go around and use the point, this one is gonna break because of the other side of the breadfruit. So you just want to keep it like this. It's just to show you how you're gonna do it. And you continue with the point of the knife as you go around. Come on, girl, I want them shoot right up on this. This part is more right part. This I'm gonna show you. So you want to get it right out. When you get it right out, you want to scoop it. And let me tell you, you're gonna continue to scoop until you get it out clean, or if you want to use a little spoon. Let me tell you something. If it's not properly roasted to the core, you ain't gonna get it like this. Try to look these little parts here. You see it white? It's not good. In Jamaica, would I say it butter or it be sting. Okay? So this is how you do it to get it like this. Okay? You scoop it out. Now this is the one that we're gonna use to present. So you're going to follow me as me come right over here whilst my girl is coming with me too, and you're gonna be scooping up. Aye, you can put some juice in it because this thing can leak. You're gonna be scooping in your salt mackerel. Make sure you present it properly. You know, take up some, put it in there, and all of that, and you have the little juice and run out and all of that. We're gonna go sap around the little thing. I will soon come. We're right back. You know, I always strive for a presentation. We strive for a presentation right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your plate, and to your family, to your plate, and most of all, to your stomach. It is roast breadfruit and salt mackerel bowl. We are trying to be so creative. Mother's Day is just around the corner. You could use few slices of avocado and whatever you want to put around there on the outside of your plate. This is the main thing right here. So we have garnished it with a slice of green, a slice of red, and also a slice of yellow yellow scotch bonnet pepper. That is our garnish. Please do enjoy. Now if you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to make sure you're subscribed to the Jamaican cooking journey. And when you do subscribe, make sure that you hit the notification bell. Because you know when them things there happen, you don't know till long after. And all of that. If you're not getting any notification, just come and check what is happening. Look here. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can use your fork. If you don't want to, you put your salt mackerel and you eat around. Because we are Jamaican, and so we do food thing. That is the more, but when you're really article like me, and you put your salt mackerel and something, you can break a piece and you can dip. But if not, you don't know, you have to use your fork and all of that, and you eat, and all of that eat round. Now, I want to thank you so much for your love. The breadfruit is turned. Who knows anything about torn breadfruit? Only can just picture it. Just don't say a word. Just please do enjoy. Now, thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. And we have got a lot of things that we have in the making. We're going to be doing a video to let you know a few things because we've passed the 50,000 subs. We should have done a giveaway, but guess what? The stomach bug come, all of that. I've got death in my family, and all of that is happening. But we are going to be coming to that giveaway. We are working on it. People have been calling for merch. We're working on that. All our information will be in the description. Contact on how to contact us. Remember to go show Jerry and Kim some love and some support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can't emphasize thanks enough. Once more, Debbie from Donga Yard. Bless, no stress.